Plan out the day. So instead of walking through the day lost and confused, not sure what to do, writing down things I can do instead made my days with a lot more purpose and didn't leave that emptiness where I didn't know what to do, so I would just go on my phone. That problem would be solved by writing a few key things that would make my day amazing if I did those things. Number two, ask myself why I am going on my phone. This makes me live my life with a lot more purpose, and every time I check my phone, it's not just a random habit when I'm not that sure what to do, but it's actually for a reason. Number three, I don't go on my phone right away when I wake up. So instead of having my phone right next to my bed when I wake up and checking it, using my phone as my alarm, instead I put it in another room or do a few tasks first before I actually check my phone. Give myself an hour or two to wake up and go through my day before I actually go on my phone. It makes my mind a lot more clear too. Number four, similar to three, not putting my phone right next to me. It makes it so much easier to not just grab it out of a habit and you actually think of other things to do. Number five, being outside. When I'm outside, either playing sports like soccer practice or hanging out with my friends, I don't want to go on my phone because I'm outside doing stuff. Do those things instead. Number six, this is a really big one, and I think the last one I'm about to say is also extremely important. But number six is turning off the notifications. It's so much easier to go on your phone if you hear a buzz or if you hear a sound and then your phone lights up. You want to go on your phone when you want to, when you think about why you should go on your phone, not when you hear a buzz or when your phone wants you to go on your phone. Number seven, being present in the current moment. So acknowledging where you are, not just living on autopilot, but genuinely thinking about being conscious about what you're doing. Number eight, talking to people. So if you're with people, you have people around you, instead of just going on your phone, pretending like they're not there, acknowledge their presence and talk to them for a little bit. It doesn't have to be a whole blown out conversation for 30 minutes, but even if it's just something like, hi, how are you doing? That goes a long way compared to just saying nothing and going on your phone. It's so normalized now for people to just be on their phone when there's especially people that they kind of know and they just don't talk to them, they're just on their phone. But we can start changing that and make it normal to interact with social people instead of scrolling on social media, which is making us less social. Number nine, I like to have this mindset where I'm not missing out on my phone, but my phone is missing out on me. What I can do instead of going on my phone is more interesting than what I would have seen on my phone. My own life is way better than caring about the unimportant things on social media. Number 10, being surrounded by other like-minded people who also think the same way and don't want to spend hours wasting years on their phone. So join the free like-minded club in the description and I'll see you inside there.